Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery in a Lexus. Now this is an LC500 2018 model, so there's a little button at the side that says push. You push that in and that pulls this little guy out, this little lever here, and that allows you to pull the key down, so that's going to slide like so. Once you're inside, you're going to be able to see we've got a little hole there that allows you to insert something. Now, I think you could probably put the key in there to like separate that apart. You know, like so. 1, 2, 3. And there we go. It splits in half. Now, there is another key fob for like the newer 2022 models onwards, like they've seen in the Lexus UX, where you push it down and slide. These models here is a pull up, and that reveals the battery there. As you can see, we've got a CR2032 lithium cell. It does have little clips around it, so they need to kind of get like a wee something small and thin to ping that out, and then you're going to put that back in. Clips together quite quickly and nicely. Assembling's a little bit easier, and then that key just slides right in like so. And that's how you replace the key battery on your Lexus fob.